Hey, what's up guys, Faisal here and welcome back to $1 Billion iTech, the place where future tech lovers come to get inspired. In today's video, we'll be doing the unboxing of Xiaomi's Redmi 6A. Thanks for watching BD iTech. Click the subscribe button, then enable notifications with the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. All videos on this channel are in two languages, English and Urdu Hindi. Xiaomi made this beast low budget smartphone available for everyone. So if you guys are interested, let's discover this little beast together. First thing first, this phone cost about $90. Yes, that's right. For this price, you will get 5.45 inches screen with 720p resolution. It has quad-core CPU with 2 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of internal storage. In the box, we have first on top this beautiful looking black phone, which we will explore in a minute. Next, we have user guide in the box, which mostly I don't care. Lastly, we have the power adapter and micro USB charging cable and SIM card ejection tool there. Let's remove the plastic from the front and the back so we can switch this one on. Well, it makes sense. At this price range, the company didn't provide earphones, but don't worry, it comes with the headphone jack. The phone is made out of plastic, but $90 price range, it's fair. On the back of this phone, we have single lens camera with flash. The rear camera is 13 megapixel. Also, we have the Mi logo and the speakers as well. Well, it's very rare to see the speakers at the back of the phone nowadays. On the left side of the phone, we have 2 SIM card trays with expandable memory slot there. If you purchase this mobile from Malaysia, it's a dual SIM phone. But I believe mostly other countries, it comes with the single SIM phone. On the top of the phone, we have the glorious 3.5mm headphone jack and a microphone next to it. On the right side of the phone, we have the volume and power buttons. The buttons are also made out of plastic. At the bottom, we have the micro USB charging port and of course the mic. The screen size of this mobile phone is 5.45 as I said earlier with 720p resolution with the screen ratio of 18:9. We have the 5 megapixel front facing camera on the top there. Now we have fairly big bezels around the screen with the big chin and big forehead as well. This phone comes pre-installed with Google Play Store, only the ones that you buy from Malaysia. Well, it's not a comparison, but if you're wondering, the size of the phone is exactly close to iPhone X. In a case you want to get one as a secondary device. If we check the settings of this phone, it comes with Android 8.1, CPU quad-core 2 GHz, RAM 2 gigs and internal memory 16 gigs. If we check the internal storage, the 7.75 gigs is occupied with Android OS and pre-installed apps, which I will highly recommend to get an external memory card. I was also really surprised with the face unlock. The setup was really quick. Please excuse the light reflection, but come on, if you notice the face unlock is super fast. I also enjoyed playing games on it. But hey, come on, you can't expect to play GTA on this budget phone. At least you can kill some time while waiting in a queue to get Big Mac. That being said, the camera app looks like the camera app that we have seen in a lot of Xiaomi's devices. These are a couple of pictures that I took with rear and front facing camera. for $90 phone, the pictures are really good. Well, at this price range, I cannot complain about the camera quality. Now this phone isn't the fastest out there. Whenever you move between screens, it's okay. But if there are some apps in the background, you might feel a slight lag there. So for this price, don't expect a lot. So this was our unboxing and review of this phone. Overall, I would say it's a good mobile within its price range of $90. So this is very budget oriented device in market. So these were the main features and specs of this budget smartphone. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you like this video, please smash the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'm your host Faisal. Until then, peace.